everyone, welcome back to my channel Neeru Style Corner. Today we are going to see how to make coffee scrub and coffee face mask at home. This coffee scrub helps to exfoliate the dead skin on your face and body. Hence, you can use the coffee scrub for your face and body both. So, let's get into the video. First we will prepare coffee scrub. Into a clean bowl, add 2 full spoons of coffee powder. Coffee powder helps in exfoliating and also helps in stimulating the skin and improves blood flow and removes dead skin gently. Gives you glowing skin. It also reduces the appearance of cellulite. It removes extra oil from your skin. And next we will add 2 spoons of sugar. Sugar helps as a scrub and leaves your skin smooth. Now add coconut oil. There is no exact measurement, as you can just add the coconut oil to the mixture and just check the consistency of how much you need to add to make a scrub like consistency. So now I'm adding coconut oil and just mixing, just checking the consistency and mixing how much I need for the scrub like consistency and mixing it well. Now mix all these ingredients, and before applying this, wash your face and then gently scrub or massage onto your face and wash it off with warm water. You can do this for your body also. You can use the scrub on your hands and legs to remove the dead skin. And now, next we will prepare coffee face pack. For this, you will need a clean bowl and add 1 spoon of coffee powder to the bowl, and then add 1 spoon of multani mitti to it. And then add about half a spoon of honey and mix it well. Now gradually add rose water to the mixture to get a smooth paste so that you can apply it onto your face. So when you're trying to mix the mixture or adding the rose water, just check the consistency so that it is not too thick or too thin to apply it on your face. So let me tell you one more thing. This might stain your face a little bit, not too much. So please use this mask for about just for 10 minutes and then wash it off. So yeah, this was today's video, coffee face scrub and body scrub, and also coffee face mask. So please try these 2 face mask and scrub and let me know how it was. This was today's video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Do check out my channel, and until my next video,